The Trucozie 40 kPa cordless vacuum is designed to stand upright independently, making it incredibly convenient for quick pauses during cleaning tasks. With a powerful 40 kilopascal suction and 3 adjustable modes, this vacuum ensures thorough cleaning on various surfaces including carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors. Its impressive 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge allows for uninterrupted cleaning sessions, making it ideal for both quick daily tasks and deep weekend cleaning. The advanced 6-layer filtration system captures 99.99% of fine particles, ensuring clean air output and efficient dirt separation. The flexible LED motorized brush with a 180-degree swivel and bright LED lights makes cleaning under furniture and in dark corners hassle-free. Designed with pet owners in mind, the larger anti-tangle brush efficiently removes pet hair, while the LED spotlight ensures no dust is left hidden in corners.